Hello children, welcome to today's cultural and creative art class. In today's class, our topic is reading. Our topic is reading. What is reading? Reading is a strong, regular, repeated pattern of sound according to choose time. Reading in music is the placement of sounds in time. Rhythm is the movement of music, the flow and distribution of notes according to time signature and accentuation. Rhythm is the soul of music, and it forms an integral part in time signature. Types of rhythm according to time signature. 1. Simple time signature or simple time rhythm. 2. Compound time signature or compound time rhythm. In simple time rhythm, the notes are divisible by 2, that is, notes are in 2 parts. In compound time signature, the notes are divisible by 3, that is, notes are in 3 parts. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.